What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some spooky revolvers. So, yeah, I've played this game before, like 20 times. It's fun. Not the best, but, like, also, if you have not watched this video already, our recent video, most recent, make sure to go check it out. It will be in the outro. That's when we figured out how to use the outro. So, guys, yeah, really happy about that. And let's go snipe some dudes. No! Oh no, I'm a zombie. I'm so ugly. Even though I'm not ugly in real life.
You are ugly. No, just kidding.
I wish you could sprint in this game. Why? This guy can shoot through walls. That's cheap. I'm gonna destroy him. Nailed it. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. There he is. Sprint, 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 run, 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 run. I'm gonna until she's dead. Derp, derpity, derp, 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 derpity, derp. What the heck? I was down on the floor and he shot me. Can we have an instant replay on that?
Kill the cowboys.
Okay. There he is, the hacker. What the heck? Guys, this kid is hacking. Nailed it. There she goes, she's dead. I have 3 kills.
Is that good? It's Jackseptic.
Oh my. Did he just have a knife? I think he just got a knife. Why does this guy always go for me? And how does he know where I am?
It's for a fact.
Guys, this kid's a hacker. He's a hacker.
It's just because you're fat.
Nailed it. I like to just smoke the girl when she fell.
Just like smoke to go. Crap, the balloon. The balloon.
What the? Oh my god! This kid has got to be hacking.
He's got to be hacking.
So, what the heck? I shot him. Guys, tell me in the comments below if I shot him. Like, this kid's just hacking. I think that's his job. To ruin people's times on Roblox. To depress everyone.
I am the one that attacking in the gun to get this back up on the streets. By any means, your enemy.
What?
What?
And he isn't even there. We got destroyed. Ah!
There's a Kringle.
Oh.
Kringle man.
It's Kringle!
I'm fully stabbed, yo!
Yeah!
I'm in my brand new Lambo.
I don't like that guy.
KSI.
No, that kid over there. The guy who's over here has the best music. This is what I'm hearing. Decline. I don't want you.
I fully stopped y'all. Vroom vroom in my brand new Lambo. So dumb. I don't give a damn cause we're over 120. And that's my song. It's on the life, my flows. Food stop. Sweet.
Can you get in? Oh, I didn't even get a look at the dead or alive thing. Oh no, I hate this map. I'm a zombie again.
I'm a cowboy. Cowboy.
Oh, yes, I'm with Kringling. Kringling. Yes, we have the guy who always wanted to kill me last round. He was determined. Then, but his name was what? I got her. Are you freaking joking? If you call her hitting her smack in the face, square in the face, not a kill, this game needs to get a few improvements then. I'm following. Boo. Oh, God. What the heck? You should be able to walk through body parts.
Oh,
That wasn't me. Wasn't sadly. Ah. China. What? These kids are hackers. Like, I'm up in the air and then I'm dead.
Call this video, I suck at.
Yeah. Or do I? Yeah.
Yeah, you. Yeah.
I couldn't get a lock.
You suck so much, Jackson. You suck so much.
Give me mine. Give me mine. Not today, Bobo. Yeah.
Not always such a graduation.
Doo-doo.
So I forgot how to vacation.
Ooh.
Dying of a happy dedication. People hate changing later. Yeah, my there's no funny.
Oh.
Bloop, 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 blimbe.
Mm-hmm. This nuts. Oh, look out. But you're not gonna come from. I'm just camping. Honey, anything. No one's over there. Where's everyone? China! Oh.
Ooh, headshot. Oh, baby, a triple.
Yeah, well. Some kids really suck at this game.
Just like you.
What the heck?
Hack me. At least you're destroying the Cowboys. Nice Cowboys. This much. Oh my God. This much. Oh my God.
Die. You.
Jack Flesh. No, I'm just kidding. It was like a Sonic fan.
You're Sonic fan. 77, sorry.
Sonic fan.
Yay! What? Oh, yeah, I'm on the leaderboard. Inventory. Dual revolvers. Is that Robux? Yeah, that's in Robux. Cases. Ooh. I have an uncommon case. One.
Don't give him wooden. Give him. You'll take a pink gun.
No.
Take it out.
New steel. Okay. I wanted the crescendo. Open. If I get like a sunrise or an admin.
Probably super pissed.
Come on, get me Hacker Man. Not Lime. Out of all the ones. Skins. I'm gonna equip.
No stay.
Yay, I'm on Cowboys now. What? This is a new map, I'm pretty sure. Top of the morning to you ladies, I'm Jacksepticeye. Oh! You see those dukes? Boo!
Oh,
Spooky!
just flip that gun, you know, you're savage.
Quick scoped!
Oh crap.
No, no.
Oh!
Nope.
Today's gonna be, it's the best.
Stay! Okay.
He's not having a good day. Okay.
I saw someone over there. No,
No, you hit it, please.
he's not even there.
Hit it down below. It's like, Sonic fan, destroyed you. Kill it.
What? This guy doesn't... Come on! This guy's killed me like 10 times already.
It's like the Dylan blocks. Dylan blocks this guy.
Who's Dylan Blocks? Dylan the Hyper?
No, I have no idea who Dylan blocks is. Oh.
Please tell me that was
It's the best. Okay, there's a sniper.
Okay, she's as ugly as heck. No, it's a bacon hair.
What's wrong with bacon hairs?
Bacon hairs are beasts. Come on.
Why do I keep on pulling it out?
Because you don't know how the laws of physics work. Did you see someone up here? I saw the sniper right there. You missed, so why do we even bother? The best.
Oh, if you hit it.
Damn it! How come every time he sees me and like I'm with somebody, he goes for me? It's so annoying. I'll tell you what's also annoying.
Yo.
Nothing.
Did someone fart?
No.
Someone not like Oh, you're kidding me. No.
I didn't. I did wipe my butt. I can.
Okay.
Oh, the bacon hair. See, look, J-Bit Gaming. Bacon hair. Over here.
Wait, what?
Can I glitch? Oh, no. I'm gonna destroy everyone in this game so that they all go crying home to their mommies and say this guy is 2 beasts at the game. Oh, crap.
That's how beast he is. He can't even get... Well, that's not good.
Oh my god. Ah! Dang it. Why did they make it?
That's how good you are.
Spectate. Ah! Oh. Yeah, can I have something? So realistic, like people are moving. Ah! Kringler! Kringler! Coming for you, Kringler! Kringler! Ah! Oh! 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 Can you walk through these doors? What?
Oh, I believe I can fly.
I believe I can touch you. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick, but yeah. Guess I'll do it. Okay, guys, it's gonna be the last round. Then you guys have to take off on your journey to watch other YouTube videos from us.
The cringe cops are arriving.
Oh no, not the cringe cops. They're the worst types of cops. Okay,
It's
please.
Sonic. It's Sonic.
No. Okay, that douche guy.
Douchebag.
That take L.
You got stuck in a pumpkin.
Pumpkin. I saw you back there. I'm not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. I'm gonna die anyway. So why do I even give up? Whoa! Did you see those epic jumping skills?
No. Because I'm pretty sure you don't have.
No! It's 6-6 and there's only like it's first to 31 kills. Why? That guy's just camping right.
Rule is
Doritos rule.
A.
That's jelly.
And it's also A.
Hi.
And I have no idea what this is.
What? I couldn't double jump? What the?
I can't even throw. I mean, like, look at this. Well, yeah, just absolutely murdered that guy, so.
What? Okay, Dharma person head, you're screwed.
Dharma person head.
What? How does that guy... Rip.
These jumps him up. Suicidal. Because don't commit suicide.
Oh! Subscribe. Like. Turn on post notifications. Okay, now you're all good to go on the amazing journey. PewDiePie.
Oh, guys, a big shout out to PewDiePie because he needs more subscribers.
What? He didn't even shoot a bullet.
To kill Ruben.
I just want him to die. Oh no, he already died. Okay. Yes, we're right next to them. We're tied with them. Big shout out to the Roblox fan, because he is like our first super fan. I'm terrible at this game. Roblox Gaming Adventures fan, not Dito Rules fan. What did I say fan? What did I say, PewDiePie fan? What the crap?
Sonic has powers.
Let me go back. Store. Okay, we've tied it up. Yes, we won.
See that we're really respecting the rule about the computer.
Okay.
That is finished.
Okay.
Ready for you.
Okay.
I'm going to the supermarket and amongst other things to pick up Halloween candy. Cameras, do you want to come with me?
Okay.
Hi, what? I'm gonna pack up. Bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, and comment down below. Okay, bye. My echo, my life is a party, my home is the